lovely people. This is Joe and Jessie down here in Georgia. Welcome to our channel. Today we're in the kitchen again and we're gonna cook some dinner. And our dinner will be fish. So here I have 4 blocks of tuna. Store-bought. It's hard to find fresh tuna. So I just bought it at Walmart or Publix. So let's start doing our tuna. Let's start remove the water, like, you know, dry them up, pat them with your kitchen towels like this until you don't see any water. Alright, so we've done drying the fish, so let's pre-season it. Let's put some salt. Sprinkle some salt on top, on them, evenly. And sprinkle some pepper too. So tuna steak, we're gonna cook tuna steak. Okay, let's set aside the tuna steak and let's get the other ingredients. And we get a plate. The ingredients: sesame, white sesame, toasted, black sesame. Here we go guys, my sesame. So we gotta mix it all up, okay? And then we're gonna coat the steak, tuna steak. Coat it like this, make sure they are even, coat them evenly. Ganyan lang po yan, easy lang naman eh. Wala namang mahirap sa pagluluto. Ang mahirap, yung tamad magluto. So ito siya guys, they are coated evenly. So iset aside natin to ulit. Okay, ito guys, nagpe-prepare ako ng sweet potato. Ilalagay ko sa oven. So I'm cutting them into wedges. And also I clean some green beans. Ito po, I'm gonna stir fry them. Yan lang po ang dinner namin. So ito na siya guys, nilagyan ko ng salt and pepper and some oil. So let's sprinkle some paprika. Coat them evenly as well. If you don't like to get dirty, I mean your hands, use gloves. Yan lang po siya guys. And then pag mainit na yung oven, lagyan na natin. Put some oil. My husband is here. He's telling me something about my dental appointment this morning. How was my dental appointment? So I was telling my husband they did my teeth cleaned, examined and all that.
Hey everybody, Joe here.
They cannot see you. Just 1 clove of garlic and half of onion para sa beans. And now we're gonna add in the beans. Yan lang po ang ulam. Gagawin ko na siya lahat kasi ayaw kong masira. Next naman ay lagyan natin tong sweet potato sa oven. So guys, lagyan natin yung sweet potato sa oven. Ayan yung preheat ko guys, 375. Stir-fry ko pa siya. Sarap to kapag spicy. Kaso si Jo ayaw niya ng spicy. So, stir-fry ko na lang siya. Lagyan ko ng Mrs. Dash. But guys, while we are cooking the veggie and the sweet potato, let's make some sauce for the tuna. So here's my wasabi, fresh wasabi powder. So haluin natin yan. It's supposed to be thick, but I think I put too much water. Lagyan din natin ng sour cream. Oh my god, the wasabi is too hot. Yan, i-mix natin yung wasabi cream at saka yung sour cream. Ganito po siya. I-stir natin siya ng i-mix natin. I-mix. Ito siya guys, yung sour cream natin. So, taste natin kung spicy siya. Okay lang, hindi naman siya maanghang. So, ilagay natin ito sa fridge. And guys, gagawa tayo ng salad. So, let's put this one in. Tayo ng mandolin salad. Simple salad lang. Okay. And then cucumber. Okay, baby, help me put the oil, please. You're my helper today. My baby is helping me. Okay. Do you know how to use it? Okay. Then where's my salt and pepper? And help me get my pepper, please. And the balsamic vinegar. Simple lang guys. And yan. Salt and pepper. Balsamic vinegar is right there, honey.
Where?
Same with the oil. Okay. Drizzle it. Drizzle. Okay, that's enough. And this is my salad, guys. Simple salad. Now, guys, let's cook the tuna. I already preheat my pan, so let's put them. So let's turn the tuna, guys. Yan, tingnan nyo, ganyan siya po. Ganyan. Look how nice it is. Mahirap kapag sili ko ng tungoy. Oops. So, ito yung mga finished product ko, guys. My tuna steak, wasabi cream, beans, wedges, and my tomato salads and cucumber.
Hey everybody, this is Joe and Jassy down in Georgia. And Jassy just fixed up another wonderful meal for supper. Salad and some tuna, some beans, and some sweet potatoes.
And some wasabi cream.
Wasabi queen.
Wasabi. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. And please don't always forget to comment, share, and subscribe.
Thank you all.
Have a good one.
Joe and Jassy.
This is how it looks like, guys. Medium rare. And dip it with the wasabi cream. Looks like we need more food. It's all gone. Means that's good. Alright, there you go. I cook, he cleans the kitchen. Good job, baby.
Drying dishes.
We don't use the dishwasher, so we use by hand. It's more cleaner.